pressure this time.
No pressure. Come on. Join me. Do you want me to do it for speed, or do you want me to show you how it works?
Oh no, speed.
Speed first. Show us how it works later.
Yeah, let's see my punch card. Let's get bent up. Alright. You ready?
I think I got your time.
I'm timing. Good luck. And go.
Now he's moving. Still not done. He's moving forward. Let's start. Which is 20 seconds.
Notice that all of the corners are done completely everywhere at this point. Maybe you won't notice because it's moving too fast.
You don't want to pause too long to be timed.
I understand that I'm being timed and I have to focus on what I'm doing.
This is in the style of Here's a whole
40 seconds.
Nothing like putting the pressure on me.
No pressure.
Alright, screwing with my time there at the end there. Alright, there we go.
Oh my god! That was awesome! Nicely done!
What was my time?
He just solved a Rubik's Cube.
What?
83.
83.
That last 10 seconds alone was like a
There was something in the middle there that I got an unlucky thing that I cycled.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I lost my thing there.
I didn't even know she was.
I feel like I should have, but I felt like it looked.
All right, let me see this. What do you think of this here?
You should take the close-up seat because it's insane.
You need to put some money in this. Yeah, I just want to make sure this is good and mixed up here. I've been mixing up Rubik's Cubes for many years. Never have solved one.
You know, it's not really fair if you do this the whole time.
Oh, right. It's like cutting a deck of cards, right?
Yeah. Somebody else has to.
All right, now I'm going to do it a little bit more. And then I'm going to...
What? Wait a minute.
She's not watching, right?
What are you doing?
Nope. Can't see it.
She's like, yeah. On the back. Oh! Okay. No, that's not mixed up enough. That's not really good. Oh shit! I finally did it! All right, here we go. This Rubik's Cube is properly mixed up.
You gonna come for the close-up seat? Yeah?
All right, I'm gonna watch this from close up.
Do we have a timer going?
In contests, you're allowed to look at the cube for a little while
Yeah, I say study it.
before you actually have to start.
Does that help?
Yes.
Just study the
Yeah.
start out.
Yeah, you get your opening moves figured out. All right, we ready?
Opening moves.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, ready?
All right.
You time. I've got time. Ready? Go.
So close.
What's your record?
Timed in a contest 37.72 seconds.
Jeez. Wow. Number
When I was
5.
16 on That's Incredible.
And number 5 in the country.
That's incredible.
I remember watching that episode.
I was
I was like 5. That was a long time.
Well, I was 16. I was the only girl on the show.
And what did you do?
So, 37.76 seconds. Yes.
And that was what ranked
Placed 5th in the nation.
5th in the country.
Can you still do that?
I.
Twice.
She did it in a minute.
I don't think I've ever
Would you like to take?
Yeah, you get in the chair.
Watch me do it.
Mix it up and get in the chair.
I'm never gonna get to bed because your people are too interesting. I keep saying I gotta go.
We were talking at lunch about geek crap.
Oh, is this a fun game?
And asking what, yeah, it's
And that is.
Because my kids love Back to the Future.
let me make sure I give you one of these.
I'm watching the technique
It's a
here.
hydrator for them.
Oh wow.
This is a promo card that peels off and they just keep it inside the game.
Oh, excellent. Oh, wow. So is this similar to the pirate game in that you change the rules as you go?
No, actually, this is a time travel game. You lay it out into a timeline. We're here all week. Come play. Tomorrow, the game room.
Do you have any connection with these games?
Oh yeah.
Yes, I am Kristin Looney.
Oh, I see.
These are my games.
Oh, that's my understanding. All right.
Yes.
Here we go. Let's see you do this.
And when I was 16, I solved the Rubik's Cube really fast.
Piano thing. I'm gonna get you in there
You
someday.
ready?
Watch out.
Really? So,
Yeah, there you go.
do you like oil it up so it moves faster?
This is a nice cube.
This has to be seen to be good. All right. Well, I gotta go.
You ready?
Yeah, sorry, hold on.
Make it really
It's
hard
kind
to
of
mix
weird.
up. So in competition, how do they?
You take a bunch of pictures and stitches them together.
They actually mixed them all up the same for each of them.
I have that as well.
I have
It's
some
good.
This is
scribbled
Kristen's.
notes from how they
I have
mixed
no
up the
use for
cubes
these
for the contest.
I don't.
Time. Okay, now I get to look at it first.
Alright, studies it for her.
Alright, that's not going to help much. Okay, I'm ready. Go. That's not good.
Do you happen to have 2 of those?
Your whole life is a
We
shame.
should have a contest. Yes.
This one is not going to be particularly fast,
If
folks.
we have time there, we can, you can do it afterwards if you get a bit of time.
She got a minute.
I don't have the higher cognitive function required to do that. I drank that away in college. Yes. I've been buying alcohol for the past several years. I don't think I'm good for me.
I do that. I do that.
Oh my god.
This is where it looks like you're stringing it all up.
Bravo.
123. Well, there you go.
All right. Well, that was still damn
Getting worse,
impressive.
Kristen.
Damn impressive.
You're getting worse.
We have another person. No, she wants to.
Scramble it for me.
Someone do your interview many more days.
Wait, are you cubing off?
Since I've touched a cube, so I...
Yes, she was.
Who just won the cube off?
Wait a minute, I want to make an announcement to people standing here. Friday at 2 o'clock, Pirate Flux tournament, okay? And tournament. There are 24 seats because I have 4 decks, so only 24 people can play, and I have a list. And the person who wins gets to take a copy home.
Yay!
And the first 3 celebrity guests who sign up also get to take a copy home.
Hey!
Because I have 4 copies.
Friday.
How do you define
Friday at
celebrity?
2 o'clock. People who are up on stage.
I will have stuff to do that.
people. Pirate Flux is awesome.
You can sign up throughout time. You gonna play?
I hope so. I can't say yes. But
Think about it, see if you're able.
Yeah.
If you're thinking about it, make sure you put your name down because it's only 20.
I just don't want to say anything.
One. Okay. So there's lots of room.
So,
Cool.
yes. That was hard. Twist my arm. Twist my
Yes,
arm.
twist. Oh, gosh. I still haven't posted that picture. That is hysterical. Really, really fun.
Okay. You want to start?
It's your time.
If you want. I don't know. I know I get about 2, maybe 2.5.
Ah, look.
This one's not as forgiving as mine is. Okay.
Oh, yes, that's
No, I didn't. I kind of wonder if that's on their like network. Are you still doing? We're going to be going to a place like that.
Do you still do one layer at a time?
No, I have a complete
Yeah, we can do a different method.
Yeah, I'm not quite that good yet.
I know the layer thing. I used to.
You would enjoy
I've forgotten all.
seeing the method.
I've forgotten all.
It's completely different.
It was really
I do the
different.
4 corners,
Yeah.
all the corners, and then 2 out to the side, and then the middle strip.
Thank you for a lovely evening.
Really?
Completely different than your method.
Is that faster?
It's way faster. Yes.
Did you just solve it?
No, I mixed it up.
That sounded like a challenge.
You want to learn Aquarius? What? No, I know. Okay, later.
In case you thought I had delusions of beating her.
Oh, great. What time is it? 3:30.
It's got a hustler.
I know. See a toy chest somewhere.
I retract my
Oh, yeah. Oh, and your thing.
Look how many seats towels there are.
Oh, yes. But remember, there's no. I know. I'm gonna.
Oh, yes, actually, yeah. Yeah, actually, give the sound the audio for because he can more easily he's on the ball enough when he starts even.
Okay, perfect sense. And you look at it and go, oh.
He'll actually do it when you want it.
Yeah, I know that a line by line method, but I don't.
Good night, nerds.
As I understand it.
Oh boy. Oh, I forgot how the method goes.
That's with the line method. That's never
My legs aren't necessarily that
It's like 5
This one is. Oh my gosh, I forgot. It goes.
Yes, on my own. And then I went,
I am doing a crit fail, man. Yeah. Boy, I've forgotten this step. It goes. It's like, oh man. I have to give. I crit fail. Crit fail. Crit fail. I haven't touched it in like a month and I forgot the last for this. Now I'm looking my phone and see what the algorithm is and kick myself.
You still be signing it now. You did it many times.
The methods are so different.
The little ones?
Yeah, I've
It's like the one weird thing about going to a bunch of piecing together my stories. What kind
I remember everything else. I don't remember the last step. The last 4 blocks. Someone remember how to do the last 4?
So I went.
It's like team cube solving. I remember how to do the corners. I can remember how to do the edges.
And the corners is the part I forgot.
Yeah.